Hey guys, what's up? My name is Kendra. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have no idea what I'm gonna be doing. I'm just gonna be playing with some makeup. We are on an adventure together. I don't know what I'm gonna be doing. I have people outside my window yelling apparently. That's gonna be fun. But yeah, I'm just gonna be kind of putting stuff on my face as per usual. And yeah, I guess we'll see what my makeup looks like when we're all said and done. Shall we? We shall. Okay. So today I'm going to be trying to use products that I don't normally grab for. So I am going to be using the Kylie Jenner Face Primer and the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter. And today I don't really feel like using a foundation, so I'm going to go in with the Hourglass Vanish Concealer in Cotton and the Smashbox Studio Skin 24 Hour in Fair. Okay, and then for setting powder, I'm going to take, this is the Patrick Starr setting powder that he did in collaboration with MAC. I definitely don't use this one very often, mostly because it has kind of a pink tone to it, which I already have a lot of pink in my skin, so sometimes it doesn't work that well, but give it a go today. Okay, and for bronzer, I'm going to be going in with the Becca Sunlit Bronzer in Bali Sands. I don't know why I didn't want to stop using this. It's so pretty. Huh. And for blush I don't use very often is the NARS Orgasm Blush, which I used to use this a lot, but then I kind of got out of using blush. But you know, everything comes back around eventually. Oh, look how pretty this is. I love doing stuff like this. Find things you forgot about. That are so good. This next one could be tricky because highlighter. I love all highlighters, but if I had to pick one that I don't really use much anymore, Okay, no, I know. The ones I don't really use too much anymore is this Becca highlighter in Pearl. You can tell I used to use it all the time because I hit pan in it. And the second one is this Dior Air Nude Luminizer in 001. I think I'm gonna go with the Dior one today. Oh, we'll see, I might layer them. Always a fan of that. That's really pretty. I'm gonna layer it because, you know, why not? Now this one, you don't need much. Yep, good choice. Good choices are being made today. I hate doing stuff like this because then I get mad at myself for not using these products in a long time. It's okay. This is so pretty. Guys, I wonder if I have something this color. Okay, that's it. We're doing a fun liner. That's what we're doing. I have decided. Now, should I just do like this one? Or should I do like this and then this? Or should I just do... Put a little bit of a transition shade in my crease. I don't want anything too insane. I just want to give my crease a little bit of definition. Now comes the interesting part. I think what I want to do is I'm going to take this liquid glitter base. I know I have a mixing medium somewhere, I just don't know where. So we're going to use the Lint Cosmetics glitter base. And I just ordered all of these brushes from Amazon so I can do detailed liner looks. And you guys, paint brushes. I don't know why I never thought of this before. I know a ton of people have, so don't drag me for just going into this. But okay, here's what we're gonna do. Okay. Calm down, calm down, calm down. I have no chill, guys. No chill. Also, I haven't really eaten much today, so that might be part of it. Okay, I'm gonna use this little Huda Beauty spatula thing. Take a little bit of pigment. Just a little bit. And then I'm going to take a little bit of this. Alright, so I'm going to take a little bit of the base, mix it with the pigment. Why am I so stressed about this? I should not be stressed about this. Goodness gracious. Okay, And we're just gonna draw a wing. I don't know what I'm doing. It's okay. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera because it's gonna take way too long for me to do this. Alrighty. So I'm just gonna put on some mascara because I'm not too sure if I want to do lashes with this or not. Not gonna do lashes. Not worth it. I am, however, going to put rhinestones on my face because that is always a good time. So I'm going to be taking the Huda Beauty Black Lash Glue, and I don't know if I want to take the blue stones or if I want to do these like iridescent. I'm leaning more towards the iridescent ones. That's what we're doing. Also, I've been loving these stones from Get Stoned. I'll link them down below. Their rhinestones are beautiful and are just so good. And then for lips, I'm going to take the MAC Selena lip liner in. I'm not going to attempt that because I will butcher the beautiful language of Spanish, but it's the brown one. Okay, and then for lipstick, I'm going to take the Makeup Forever lipstick in M100. And for setting spray, I'm going to be taking the Fix Plus. This was a limited edition one. I forget who the collection was with, but it has kind of like an iridescence to it. Alright, and this is the finished look of using products that I don't use very often. I had no idea how we were going to end up, but we ended up here, and I kind of love it. I like that it matches my nails a little bit, and I have rhinestones on my face, which is always a good time. And yeah, I'm surprised that I didn't put lashes on, but I think it works, and I like it, and I might do it more often. Because I really want to try. I got some new colored eyeliners from a company called Glitter Mousse, and they are pastel, and I feel like they need to go on my face, like yesterday. So, I'll probably do a video with those soon. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Check out my Instagram at kendradawnmua, and yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!